Hey guys, thank you for watching my channel. This is Yohei Kamiya. What's up? So I'm making the Japanese cooking channel, and I got a lot of message. Where we gonna get the rice? Where we gonna get the soy sauce or vinegar? Well, those are Japanese ingredients. Ingredient. I'm sorry. So today I came here. Boom. Target. Yeah. I love Target. So this time I'm going to show you how many Japanese ingredient or Japanese things in Target, which is American grocery store. For example, when you're making sushi, you need a Japanese rice, you need a soy sauce, you need a Japanese vinegar, sugar, something like this. So do they have or not? So I'm not sure. So this time I'm going to show you and which rice is you have to choose. So and after that I'm going to make a recipe also. So please keep watching and check it out. And I hope this video gonna help you to buy Japanese ingredient or Asian ingredient. American grocery store, yeah, some of that they have. So you don't have to go big Asian store or big Gmart, or you don't have to order Amazon. So let's check it out. Thank you. Okay, I came here to Asia or Hispanic section. Okay, let's check that Japanese ingredient. I found some of that. It's an Asian section here. Take a look. A lot. Ooh, I found some snack too. Wow. Let's see. I found the wasabi here and panko. We have, and of course I found the soy sauce. Okay, I found the meeting here. Kikkoman. Same like a soy sauce company. Kikkoman. This is the meeting. And I found the Japanese rice, nishiki rice. Oh, good. I found the sesame seed. Good. Oh no, and a lot of teriyaki sauce. Everything say teriyaki, teriyaki. Oh, sick over it. I'm sick. Okay, I wanted to explain to you. This said teriyaki, but actually this is not teriyaki sauce. This is for the Japanese barbecue sauce. So it has a lot of flavor. Everything said teriyaki, but because easy to understand. Take a look. So this is the honey barbecue. So this is actually the barbecue sauce, which is the yakiniku. Yakiniku mean is grilled meat. You know about the gyukaku? Gyukaku is a typical Japanese barbecue restaurant. So they use those sauce. Of course, actually they create their sauce, their own sauce. You can get the similar things here. That's good. Oh my God. Everything teriyaki, teriyaki. Okay, okay, I understand it. Oh, this is the gochujang. Gochujang is Korean style, Korean chili paste, something like this, sweet chili paste. Yeah, Kikkoman has a lot of sauce, sweet sour sauce, or again teriyaki, teriyaki. Okay, take a look. Nishiki rice. This is a Japanese rice actually. Yeah, let's see the yeah, they say the perfect sushi rice. Yeah, actually this rice I used to work in sushi restaurant in New York. They have a Michelin star, so they use this rice. I cannot say the restaurant name, but very traditional Japanese restaurant, they use this rice. Yeah, you see the Japanese character here. So these are Japanese rice. So next here is jasmine rice. So this is for the actually Asian rice, but it's totally different. This is for good for the fried rice because even you steam that. So take a look what's different between this rice. You see, this is a long and thin. The Japanese rice is short and more, how can I explain, around, say? Yeah, around. So don't confuse that. If you're gonna get the Japanese rice, yeah, you have to get this. Next, instant section. How can I say? I don't know. Okay, take a look. You know Maruchan, right? Yeah, this is everybody knows that. I know, but I found Sapporo Ichiban miso ramen. That's good. And we have Shio ramen. It's same company, Sapporo Ichiban, and they have a soy sauce flavor. Wow. Oh, I found the udon too. That's good. Chicken flavor. I don't know why. Oriental flavor. What is it? They have rice ramen. Okay. Rice ramen. Yeah. You know poke, right? Ooh, good. And chocolate banana flavor. Whoa. Okay, haichu. Yeah. Do you know that about the haichu? This is like a between candy and chewing gum. Japanese people, everybody knows that. The kids love haichu. Whoa, this is good. You can find the seaweed, but actually this seaweed is the different Japanese seaweed. This is like maybe it's like a Korean style. They have maybe some sesame oil in there, and that's not just normal seaweed. It's like a Korean style. So I tried to find seaweed nori. I mean Japanese seaweed nori. Actually they have, but it's like a short one. It's small one. So it's difficult to make in the sushi. So you have to find Jiaza store or go to Amazon. Sorry about that. Okay, I found the Japanese rice and mirin soy sauce, some teriyaki sauce also. So next, when you're making the sushi, you need vinegar. So take a look. Okay, I came vinegar section. Yes, I found Japanese vinegar, white vinegar or olive, some vinegar. And on the top, I saw the rice vinegar here. Good. Did it say the mild and sweet? Mild and mellow. Okay, actually I get this and try to make a sushi rice. Here, ice cream section. Yes, you know what I found, right? Strawberry, nut flavor, vanilla, lemon, chocolate. Mochi ice, good. One of the Japanese things I found, but that's not food, that's not ingredient. Take a look. Mask next. Pokemon Pikachu. Yeah, this is Japanese thing. Okay, right here, Nintendo. Nintendo is Japanese company. 1970, 80, something like this. Ooh. Yeah, actually realize that these are everything made from Japan. You know, Mario or Zelda, Pikachu, Pokemon. Wow. Kirby, do you know Kirby there? Wow. Okay, now I'm out of store. So we found the soy sauce, vinegar, or sesame, or some ramen things. And we found the sushi vinegar too, I mean rice vinegar too. But okay, I went to another grocery store too, and yeah, I found the similar things there. So that's what I found. Okay, I'm in the Publix. Let's find Japanese things here. How much we have, how many we have.